How's it going, you guys? My name is Kenyon. I am one of the founders of Lokality, and today I am stoked to be giving you a walkthrough of our platform, as well as hopefully answer some of your common questions. Now, Lokality was created to be the ultimate lead generation platform for home service companies. And the very first feature that we've come out with is going to be handwritten, targeted direct mail right around your work sites. Let's go ahead and get started with our demo. We're going to click in the bottom right-hand corner to design our first postcard. You're going to go ahead and name it. You're going to select a size. The bigger the size, the more it's going to stand out in the mail. We're going to design the front side, and then you're going to select a base template. Now you can also design your very own, and to do that, you're going to click on blank and then hit touch up. It's going to open a page just like this one, and you're going to notice a bunch of different things here. First and foremost, you're going to notice a phone number and a QR code that pop up here. Now, our system randomly generates phone numbers and QR codes per campaign so that we can track the number of calls as well as the number of scans and forward those on to you. We also track the addresses that scan as well as the phone numbers that call. Now, you're going to notice this left-hand bar over here. You have the option to add texts, any sort of fonts that you would like to upload, any elements, photos, and you're allowed to upload any sort of images or logos. Now keep the QR code and the phone number if you would like to receive those analytics. You're going to hit Save Design, and then you have a new design. These are some examples of base postcards we've given you to edit. Now you're going to notice that we've used a dark blue font to look like ink, and we've also used a handwritten font to look like handwriting. Now, if you read through the message, you're going to see exactly why this converts well. So I'll let you do that, but you are still going to notice the phone number here and the QR code here at the bottom. Here's a couple of our other designs. Own unique logo down here while you were out. A little bit of a different type of postcard there. Here's another one that we've sent out for a solar company. Here's one that's for a remodeling company. All right, so continuing on. So we have a postcard design now. Now we need to create a list that you're going to target. Type in an address of where you're currently working. And you're going to click on that address there. You can select the nearest amount of homes, draw a circle, or a polygon shape if you're wanting to work in, like, let's say, a rich neighborhood and you know where it's at. You have the option to draw your very own shape. You're going to go ahead and name the list and continue on. Now, once you have a new list, it's going to pop up something like this. You have the option to delete any unwanted addresses. You also have the option to view all of the different campaigns that you've done. So let's give you an example here. So you're going to see this one's going to be in red. You may have, let's say, like a purple one over here, or a blue one over here. You're going to be able to show exactly all the addresses that you've hit. Now, continuing on, you're going to create a campaign. You're going to name your campaign, select a front template, a back template, address list. You're going to enter in the phone number you would like called. This can be a crew member, contractor, office. You're going to go ahead and type in your URL. This can be your website, a lead funnel. This can be, a Google form if you don't have a website. And then we've given you the option to actually send out your postcard on multiple dates. So if you're working in a neighborhood and you would like to send out 2 mailers, 2 weeks apart, we've given you the option to do that. This campaign end date is for our internal system, but go ahead and select the campaign end date there, and then you're going to hit continue to payment, where you have the option to pay postage. Now, once you paid for your campaign, you're going to come over here to direct mail, and you're going to be able to see all the analytics. It'll show how many addresses that you have in your list. It'll show how many calls have come through from that campaign, QR code scans, the phase you're on. If you send out multiple postcards in a campaign, you'll be able to see that there, the front template and the back template that you've used. Now, if you want to see more in-depth analytics, go ahead and click anywhere on this bar, and you can see the phone numbers that called from that campaign and the addresses that have scanned your QR code. That wraps up our demo. Let's answer some of your common questions. Can you use your own template design? Yes, you can, but you're going to have to use our software. It should be fairly easy considering we've designed a professional grade design suite, similar to Canva, but built specifically for postcards. Now, does Lokality do contracts? Nope. Simple month to month. How much of your mailers? Now, our mailers start out at 99 cents each, which includes first class postage of 73 cents. Now, we've done this so that we can get an offer in front of the neighbors of your existing customers as quickly as possible and right as they're noticing the amazing job you're doing right next door. We are a targeted direct mail system, and so we're not trying to be an every door direct mail where you just blast out to as many homes as you possibly can with low conversion rates. We do have higher conversion rates because we do offer our targeting technology. What makes Lokality different from your competitors? We've already talked about the first two, but our unique software gives you the ability to create targeted lists right around your current job sites, allowing you to target the neighbors, keeping your costs down while keeping your ROI high. And last but not least, Lokality is built from real industry experience. That wraps up our demo, as well as answering some of your frequently asked questions. Thanks for watching.